Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send product recommendation emails to Typeform leads instantly. So here my objective is whenever any new form submission can be done through my Typeform, then automatically one product recommendation mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account instantly. For that, I am going to connect my Typeform to the Gmail, and this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. And the creation of this amazing automation is done in just 5 minutes. Yes, but before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how this automation will be used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this form that I have already created before into my Typeform account. Here I am adding all the test details. After that, I am going to click on the submit button. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received a product recommendation mail or not. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes my name that I have shared while filling the form, that is the test user, and all the details. Now, if you also want to do this type of automation, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. On the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. Here I am an existing user, so I'm clicking on the sign in option and going to the dashboard of my Pabbly Connect. So see, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. Here I am going to create a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. After that, I am entering the workflow name as send product recommendation emails to Typeform leads in 5 minutes. After that, I have selected the folder as Pabbly Connect that I have already created before from here. Now I am going to click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happens, where at first you have to select your trigger application that I am going to select as Typeform. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as new entry. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and connect with Typeform by clicking on this option below. Here I have an existing connection, so I am selecting it. After that, I am clicking on the save button. See, my Typeform account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Here I have already created one form into my Typeform account, so I am selecting it. After that, I am going to enable this toggle for getting the response in the simple format. After that, I am going to click on the save and send test request button. It is waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am going to fill this form. So see, this is my Typeform account where I created this form. Here I have mentioned some fields, that is first name, last name, phone number, email, and the company name. You can add many fields here. Now for getting the response, I am going to copy this link from here and opening this link in a new tab where again I am going to fill all the details. After that, I am going to click on the submit button. See, the form is submitted successfully. Now we will check our workflow that we have received the response or not. See, I have received the response 1 second ago. That means my Pabbly Connect is successfully connected to my Typeform. After that, I want to send customized product recommendation mail to each of my users, which include their name. For that, I am clicking on this plus option and searching the app as Gmail. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as send email. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. It will again provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have already an existing connection, so I am clicking on the select existing connection button. After that, I am going to click on the save button. See, my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, in the sender name fields, I am going to write the sender name as Brightshop PBT Ltd. After that, as soon as I connect my Gmail account to my Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select sender email address in this field. You can also enable this toggle if you don't want to do the mapping manually. After that, the next one is the recipient email address where I am going to map the email address that I have received from my previous application, that is the Typeform. Here I selected. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. Now this CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am directly writing the email subject and the email content in both of these fields. Here I write after that in this email content box, I want my username after this hi. For that, I am simply clicking on it and searching my username here. That is the first name is test and last name is user. With the the help of this mapping, each of the username will come in this place, as mapping makes data dynamic. As I created this email content in the HTML format, so I am selecting the email content type as HTML. After that, the labels I select as inbox. Then lastly, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name here and also attach the URL here. After that, I am going to simply click on the save and send test request button. I have received the positive response. Now I am going to check my Gmail account. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes my name as a test user that I have written in the email content. Now that my automation is working perfectly, after the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your workflow will be active. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box, you can check out. And we have also created one detailed video of this automation. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. This automation is done without requiring any single line of code, and it is only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect.